I got to try this new, what is it, gimbal by DJI. I thought I'd give it a go for my creation, for my plumbing work. Let's open and see. Oh, you got to pull it. Pull that one, and then it's a nice box. If I can get inside it. How do you open this? Ah. Kind of a nice box.
Alright, who's that someone? You're not sure? You're not sure, but you decided to write it on a... What you got more than you're saying, isn't it? See? What does that say? Oh. No, I couldn't. I can now. Yeah.
That looks very good. Quality on that is really strong.
Yeah, kind of. Do you feel somebody silencing students? Do you feel like
This is
somebody
the
silencing...
stand. If it works, how do you open this? There you go.
Oh, does it? Oh, so you guys have nothing to do with Trump?
What's in here?
You said outside. Yeah.
They never made it easy to open. Or is it just me?
Yeah.
That's the head. So yeah, I'll put that on first.
That's my free speech, yeah? Did you go to the free speech? Oh. Whistle! What was that? T-shirt like that? Where did you get that from?
I'll review again after I've connected something to it. I'm just using my phone to do the video. Give me thumbs up if you want more, or thumbs down if you don't want more.